If you're a Georgia driver who's just been in a wreck, here's the one question you're probably too afraid to ask out loud. If I use my own insurance, will my rates go up? Because everyone's heard horror stories. But here's the truth. Under Georgia law, not only can you protect your rates, you can actually use your coverage strategically to speed up claims, avoid legal traps, and save thousands in the long run. Now, let's start with the foundation. Right? Georgia operates under what's called a fault-based insurance system, which means the at-fault driver's insurance should pay for the damages. However, this alone doesn't tell the whole story about rate increases. Under OCGA 33-9-40, insurance companies in Georgia are regulated in how they can adjust your premiums. But here's where it gets interesting and where many Georgians get caught off guard. Let me share a real scenario from my practice. Last year, I represented Sarah, a nurse from Marietta. She was rear-ended at a red light on Cobb Parkway, clearly not her fault. Sarah had collision coverage and wanted to use it to get her car fixed quickly rather than wait for the other driver's insurance to process the claim. Her concern? Would her rates increase? Now, this brings us to a crucial principle in Georgia law. Insurance companies cannot raise your rates solely because you file a not at fault claim. The Georgia courts have specifically held that rate increases must be based on the insured's responsibility for the loss.